So winter before last, we had a big blizzard and our grocery store roof fell in. So we haven't had a grocery store in over a year. So it's the first time I take a look at it. According to everybody, they did a huge remodel and it looks amazing. So let's go see what it looks like. Very nice. Looks nothing like it looked before. Soda fountain, dry aged meats. Housewares, big department over there. All the cold stuff. And everybody's favorite, the alcohol department. Where are your cards?
Just next to the flowers.
Oh, great, thank you. Alcohol. So there you go. The new Goodwin's Market, Crestline. Looks amazing.